Hey guys, quick update. Let me show you something that a lot of people don't realize. Alright, see this right here? Oh, really?
Yeah, not really.
Since when?
Like, this is an authorized trip to Walking Street.
I need a new sugar mama. Somebody will pay me more than 5.
I doubt it.
Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over. I got someplace that I got.
George, I'll record you. Okay.
I'll take one for the team. I'll take a massage. I'll take one for the team.
All right, isn't this where the old guy fell? He came down here. He fell when he came out of Lucifer's. There it is, guys, Lucifer's.
Monsoon. Slow down on your hand.
What do you think? Huh?
Slow down on your hand thing.
Oh, okay. This is where I went. This is Kokomo's right here, babe.
Where's Kokomo?
This is Kokomo's. We'll be back. There's Kokomo's. We'll be back. Most definitely.
Where are the rooms?
I don't know.
Stay there, baby. There's the price. Oh, they only go to the second floor? Is that what it is?
I'm gonna go in.
They have inverters.
I'm gonna go in and see what's popping.
I know. Why don't I scout ahead?
Okay, yeah, you do that. Can I like do interviews? How much you got?
Not really.
I can actually ask questions like, does your wife know where you are? Where in the world is your wife? No? Ah, come on.
Hey, they have dentists here.
What?
I know, right?
Okay, what I really want to know, does that really say 85 pesos? It's got happy hour.
I think that's per drink. All drinks and all soft drinks are 85 pesos.
All local drinks and all soft drinks.
Yeah, all drinks, yeah.
Including beer?
Yeah.
Ah.
Which is not bad for a bar.
What is this? Nana? What do they do? Drinks? Girls dance? I guess they actually do it to.
It's raining, babe.
I know, I got to.
They're selling an umbrella.
Pretty smart. Ask them how much, Po. How much, Po?
300 pesos.
Ah, no. How much? Back up.
150 for a small one.
You got 2? Or we gonna need change?
150 for the small one. 150 for a small one.
And 3 for the big one? That's a lot of money. No, got too much. I live here. Kapampangan.
2 for 500.
2 for 5.
You got 5?
No, I gave it away. Well, I probably do. Nga pala kayo. Mark? Ako ba kayo? Wow. Taga-okay kayo.
Ato ninyo.
Nandun ninyo? Okay.
It's probably doing them a favor.
You want 2?
2 for 5. We'll do 2 for 5.
2 for 5 ka nung ano? Oh, sige. Salamat.
You enjoy my one. Pretty.
Very,
Very. Hey!
Kano lang sa akin? 10 pesos per. Oh, free for
Thank
you.
you. That's okay. Thank you, Po.
Free for you.
Thank you, Po. Here you go.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's cute. That's cute.
All right. So, you know these brillas ain't worth it. But it's probably a good deal for him.
It's supporting logos.
Yes. All right. All right, guys. As you see, oh no. Got an umbrella that's big enough for my ass, guys. All right, so here we are. Oh, whoa, here comes the wind. Hey, look at that girl up there. I need a full nudity place.
Oh my God.
Ask her, is there full nudity?
You can't bringing a camera.
I'm not gonna bring in my camera if it's a full nudity.
Oh my, no, I'm not gonna ask.
I am.
Huh?
I am. If it's not full nudity, I can't go.
Oh.
So if we can ask, and if they don't have it, then
Oh my gosh.
I'll put the camera away. There we go. All right, one more question. Hi, full nudity, like the U.S.? Full nude. Nudity? All of them? No top, no bottom? Yeah. Naked, totally naked? We know.
Yeah, sure. Okay, I'll see you in a few.
Full nudity. All right, so that's so cute. Hi. That's really
It's the
cute.
lottery shop.
Right, but do you see how? Yeah, pretty smart. Hey,
Yeah,
babe, foot massage. Look at
They're
that.
trying to like back in there like.
They are. Let's go take a look at the price. So, ask them how long it'll be. Ask them how long.
How long?
Yeah. How long?
How long is the wait? How long is the wait?
Foot massage. You guys do acrylics? 1 hour? Okay. Okay, we're up at Kokomo's and stuff. So we're just walking around.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Wow, they're really busy in there.
They're busy.
All right, so we'll come back in an hour. They do the rebonds for 99, the Brazilians, which is where they straighten the women's hair. They do bleach, eyelash extensions. They do massage, $3.99, back massage, head massage. And they do poly extensions and all.
Banana? Are you putting?
It's in my purse,
We do have food.
like Kikum City. Hey, look at that.
Yeah, some Korean store. That's cosplay.
Uh-oh, I'm gonna knock their sign over. Ah, there's cosplay.
Figure it out. If you want to, yeah. If you want to write the price, you guys. It doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
Yeah, probably not.
Not yet.
Yeah, we're looking, so we'll be back around if we decide to.
Just around in here.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, you take it easy. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Hey, babe, watch out.
Okay. Take it easy, Matthew. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Which side? Oh, this is at the beginning here at the Mabuhay, isn't it?
Yes.
Abracadabra. Oh, that's where they're working on the new place.
This is, yeah, take the footage first.
Man, I don't think this is waterproof anymore, babe.
Okay, it's not waterproof.
All right, probably time to put this up here in a little bit, guys.
Well, just walk that long street, Dave. I mean, there's no reason to kill the footage yet. Just back around.
All right, guys, so they're telling us our personal massage will be about an hour. I'm getting stared at right now. Look at George smiling. Anything goes. Huh, George? How about you take one for the team before we say goodbye in
I
this
know.
rain?
I know. I'm going to have to take one for the team. Do
Hey.
some research.
Okay, go on. I'll see you when I get home. George, I'm going to go home first. And George says I'm going to get locked out. All right, guys, we got to go because it's raining. So, all right, guys, we got the end of Walking Street here. George is. Hey, look, George, they play Glee. What? All right, guys. You said it would rain. Woohoo! What's going on in there? Karaoke? Foot massage? Oh, singing. Ah. All right, guys. I'm going to go out and get a little wet and destroy my equipment. All right, bye. Say goodbye. Bye. All right. I told him you were my brother. Wave hi. Yeah, I know. They're already destroyed. All right, so do we just order the cab at McDonald's or probably? about the couch? How about you sit on that couch?
Probably best for you to cross now.
Babe, I can't get up here.
Yeah, you probably just throw your shoes, babe.
Why does it smell like poopy? Oh my God, that's flooded. Okay. Hold on, babe. Ooh, it probably is, and I'm standing in
Yes,
it.
that's sewer water, yes.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't know what, babe. I mean, I don't know about you, but...
thanks for the warning, George.
Babe, you have a skin. You can feel the water.
Here, hold this for a minute. Hey, let me stand in the poop water.
Hey guys, quick update. Let me show you something that a lot of people don't realize. Alright, see this right here? That's dirty, nasty water.
Thanks, George. You weren't looking at my feet.
So, that's dirty, nasty water. Don't stand in that. Don't do like Heidi did.
I'm wondering why. I'm trying to do a trick where you actually stare at their actual feet. Okay, what's up with that, you know? And it's kind of like, thanks, George. All right, there's George's favorite salon across the street, Man and Rose, Mon and Rose. Right, George? There's our Jolly Bee and massage. We are looking for, I guess we should turn this off. All right, so bye, guys. So weird. Why are you doing that, silly?
I put lotion on your feet. And a good night is soft. It's soft. It's just soft.
My feet have been super dry and I'm sitting here editing and I said, George, can you put lotion on my feet? And I usually don't let anybody touch my feet. Now you just being racist.
We got time on